I just woke up. Share ko lang kasi napafrustrate ako sa mga ganitong policy.
Kapag na smoke test, insurance, diretso rehistro.
Sa lahat ng mga tea, matcha yung favorite ko. Diba? Pag ganito ka lang magregalo, be. Hello everyone, it's Macy Mayan. Welcome to my May Today vlog, and I'm currently editing this video. If you want to watch this vlog, I'm gonna leave the link below. Update with you guys. Pumunta kami ng Palo last Monday para i-repair yung air condition ng Everyvan. But we had to wait 8 hours para lang siya ma-repair. While waiting, pampalipas ang oras, we went to Tacloban, Robinson Marisbaras para manood ng movie, kumain doon. And then, napabili ako nito guys. We're living in a week abroad. Tapos, kailangan ko talaga ng microphone condenser kasi sa tuwing nag-vlog ako, ito yung gamit ko. And I have this microphone. Rode yung brand. Boya pala yung brand. Kaso, pag ginagamit ko to, naririnig ko yung background noise. And I don't like that. Gusto ko yung focus lang siya sa voice ko. And at least, kahit konting noise lang naman, okay lang sa akin. I spent 1,890 for this one. Tapos hindi ko naman pala siya magagamit. I went to this shop. Hindi ko nasasabihin yung shop kasi I don't want to say bad thing about them. Nung pumunta ko doon, I asked them if they have audio adapter. And this guy told me, yes, meron sila. And he said, I'm gonna check if pwede siya. He Google search pa nga to make sure na this is audio adapter. Pero hindi siya audio adapter, guys. I asked naman na pwede ko bang i-return yung item na to pag hindi siya compatible sa camera. They said hindi pwede, pero pwede ko daw i-return ito pag may defect yung item. Pero parang hindi siya fair. Kailangan mo muna siyang bilhin bago nila i-test. Like, sa totoo lang, nakakabuisit yan. Share ko lang kasi napafrustrate ako sa mga ganitong policy. Yun na, frustrate din ako sa sarili ko kasi alam ko talaga pag minamadali ko yung mga bagay, ganito yung nangyayari sa akin. But anyway, I already moved on.
7 hours ago.
Oh my God. I just woke up and it's 8 o'clock a.m. Tumawag yung delivery driver at 7:40 and tulog pa ako noon and gising ako kasi meron kaming order. Ito yung laman ng parcel na dumating ngayong umaga. First is we have roasted peanut, roasted cashew. Ito yung mga snacks namin. Healthy, no? And then we also got matcha. Sa lahat ng mga tea, matcha yung favorite ko. Deal. Hindi ko alam kung bakit tatlo yung dumating. Next, we have dates. Sarap nito, be. I love dates. Okay, and another matcha. What's the difference? This one is ceremonial and this one is culinary. Next is red lentils. We have raw pumpkin. So yun lang yung laman ng box.
First renew.
First renew dire.
Paguhin nyo na ipa-diretso rehistro. Kapag na smoke test, insurance, diretso rehistro.
May LTO ka dire?
Opo, ma'am.
Same price, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah,
Yes,
let's do it.
Okay na, we passed the emission testing. As you can see at the back, may plastic dito. Ita-test lang kami kung lalamig ba dito sa front. If that works, maglalagay kami dito ng thicker na plastic para ma-seal dito. Para yung lamig dito lang sa loob. I mean, dito lang sa front.
be in the frame. Huh?
Ganda niya.
And lift it up again, you can take the plastic bag out from underneath it. Well, watch out this tire might hold on to the tire, the top tire, when you grab it,
Which one here?
that one.
Ah, oh my goodness. In-order namin ito sa Lazada kasi pang regalo. Sana all. Diba? Ganito kami magregalo, be. Okay. Now it's time to assemble. Tapos na kami mag-set up. Ito na yung itsura ng bike.
What is this?
Actually, hindi pa siya totally na tapos. But at least may progress na. Magka-birthday na kasi yung pamangkin ko ngayong September 3. Gusto niya ng bicycle. And I'm not bragging, guys. Baka sabihin niyo, napapasikat ginagawa kasi nag-vlog ka. No, ginagawa na talaga namin to. And as much as possible, sa kaya namin, gusto namin mabigay yung mga gusto nila. Kahit birthday lang naman. Like, hello, what's a year lang naman to. My point here, I'm not bragging kasi ganito, ganyan. This is just our way of also fulfilling ourselves. Na ganito kasi kami. Ganito kami, it is our happiness na mag-share ng blessings, na makita na masaya yung pamangkin namin. And guys, don't worry kasi sa tingin ko hindi naman namin sila ini-spoiled. Konti lang. Gusto ko namin ibigay yung gusto nilang ma-receive sa birthday nila. And we wanna be fair also para walang maka-feel na peer favoritism kami. Cleaning the room and ang buong bahay. I hope matapos ko siya ngayon kasi bukas aalis kami ng Taiwan para pagbalik namin maganda yung paligid, masarap sa feeling, good vibes pa rin. Gets mo ba ako? Before I end this video, this episode, I just wanna say thank you so much for watching my Me Today vlog and I hope to see you next Friday. See you Taiwan!
No stress.